Only 4 months left in 2025, and you're wondering, is it too late to start investing? Let me tell you, it's the best time to start. Why? Because you're not early, you're right on time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing smartly in the last 4 months of 2025, step by step. Let's get started. You're watching StockWisp. Firstly, you reset the clock. Time left is not equal to opportunity lost. Forget the calendar for a second. Investing doesn't follow the January to December rule. Your clock starts the day you take action. Whether it's January or September, the secret is starting now and starting right. Even 4 months can kick off your entire wealth journey. Our next step is how to choose the right strategy for short time left. Late start strategy. With just 4 months left in the year, don't gamble, be goal-focused. Here's the late start strategy. Focus on low-risk, high-quality assets. Avoid day trading or FOMO stocks. Automate small, frequent investments. This is not about doubling your money. It's about starting the habit. Then you next pick a smart investment vehicle. Start with what's safe and proven. Index ETFs like VO or SPY. Track the top 500 U.S. companies. And dividend ETFs like SCHD give you passive income. Or total market ETFs like VTI spread your risk. One click and you own pieces of 100+ companies. No stress, no guessing. Now you understand, invest what you can, not what you wish. $50 is better than zero. Don't wait till you have thousands. With fractional investing, you can start with just $10 or $50. Apps like Fidelity, Robinhood, or SoFi let you buy a slice of Amazon, Tesla, or Apple without breaking your budget. The goal is to start, not to impress. The important thing in this video is create a mini 4-month plan. Here's your 4-month investment starter plan. September, open account plus invest first $50. October, add $100 plus buy one ETF. November, study one company plus invest again. December, review progress plus plan 2026. That's it. 4 steps for months. You're ahead of 90% of people already. And also you avoid these traps. Don't chase hype. Social media won't make you rich. Don't try to time the market. Time the market matters more. Don't pause when the market dips. That's actually a chance to buy more. Be consistent, not emotional. At last you think long game. You're not late. You're early for the rest of your life. You're not investing for the next 4 months. You're investing for the next 40 years. What you start today could become the money you retire with, build a home with, or even pass on. Start now. Grow forever. Like this video? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join the StockWisp community, where smart investing starts with smart questions.